Hey guys, it's time to do a camera test of the Oppo A3s, and this phone comes with a 13 plus 2 megapixel combination on the back, f2.2 and f2.4 aperture, and 8 megapixel on the front with f2.4 aperture. So let's show you the some camera samples as well as a video recording. Guys, it is a 1080p recording footage of the Oppo A3s. Dual cameras on the back of the phone, 13 plus 2 megapixel combination, f2.4 aperture and f2.2 aperture. And let's show you the video quality. And I go up and the grass is looking very green. I go down and the grass quality is very bad. And overall I have to say very good camera quality in daylight. And this phone is not support a OIS technology, optical image stabilization. Guys, it is a 8 megapixel camera on the front with f2.4 aperture, recording footage at 1080p, and you can see the video quality on the front. You guys are the judge of the video quality. And okay guys, it's me. And I have to say the front camera is not support a optical image stabilization feature. Let's show you the shaking thing. And I walking on a grass, and you can see the video quality. And guys, I have to say I also done the camera test of the J6. You can check that out of my channel. And you can see the color reproduction is also nice, not good. And you can see it is a red rose flower. Guys, it is a night recording footage of the Oppo A3s, and you can see it is a extreme low light. I think the J6 is much better in a low light performance, and you can see the camera is not focus in extreme low light. And thank you so much for watching this camera test of the Oppo A3s. And you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel for future contents. I catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.